Yeah, hi, my name is Steve Grigorakis. I'm with the Tecumseh Soccer Club. I'm the club's head coach. Been with the club for about 15 years. We're kind of unique in this club that we do retain some of our board members and our coaches that stay a longer time. I've been with the club 14 years. But there are positions in the club that the rotating door. Uh, when the kids don't play anymore, people tend to leave, and we do have a problem getting volunteers to coach as well as being on the board. Again, our club is a little unique. We have a lot of young coaches, not very many parent coaches. So over the last couple of years, we've been a little lucky. Other clubs are not so lucky. They have a hard time getting volunteers to coach and be as board members.